Juan, welcome. Pleasure to speak to you today.
My name is Juan Tomas Hernani. I am the CEO of Satlantis and the president of YES. Satlantis is a company working in Earth observation from a very particular perspective, and that is the camera technology, the eyes that Earth observation requires to provide the whole set of technologies and services that are focused to solve the customer problem, like methane leak detection for gas companies or landfills.
Can you provide background on Satlantis, your beginnings and your journey?
Yes, I think we have a story. We were born in 2013 from the University of Florida. We are a spin-off of the University of Florida. Coming from astrophysics, we have an obsession, and that is to rescue any photon, any small set of light that can be used to interpret a certain phenomena. No? That is why we understand black images, we understand dark night information, and we can compose final live images out of very, very little signal that we rescue.
Can you just clarify, are you looking up or are we looking down?
Okay, we are the astrophysics of Earth observation, which means that we started by looking up and now we develop the commercial business by looking down.
What are the main challenges and opportunities you are experiencing in today's market?
I think it's to get the best out of small sats for Earth observation. This is a limited technology. It is not an infinite technology. So understanding the resources that you're putting there, optimizing them towards the customer challenge is key. So for small sats, you cannot fly crazily capturing images and storing them in a database. You require to know where you have to look at. And then you have the capacities of stopping the satellite over a city, of going through a border, through a coastline, things that have not happened before.
Where are you at in terms of delivering your project and who your customers are? What success you've had?
Okay, Satlantis has today 10 flight missions. So it's, I think, a strong portfolio. We have already flown 3 flight missions. This year, 23, we have 3 more flights. So one in early March, another in June, and the last one in December. And we have 2 more plus 4 more for 2024. So we are very busy.
And your facilities, can you update us on how they are developing?
The facilities are sophisticated clean rooms, class 5, where you have to manage interferometry. So we speak the language of microns, precision, to make technology work. And we speak nanometers when we talk about light interferometry. No? So it's an extremely high precision technology.
Can you also bring us up to speed on the technology itself?
I think it's a combination of different crucial technologies. That is why so difficult to imitate, and we have so few competitors, no? Because you need to handle optics and mechanics to an extreme engineering capacities. But then, if you listen to our software director, she says that we are a software company, and I haven't still noticed, no? And when you go to electronics, it's a huge parallel electronics power based on FPGAs, GPUs, that is really remarkable. And we are using it through industrial electronics that we qualify, we protect, and we test that they survive 30 kilorats.
How about your business model? How is that looking?
Well, our business model is a very traditional model. No? We sell projects to our customers. It means we sell hardware, software, and services to our customer. The customer has to define the challenge, and then we provide very fast, because we have an industrial program, so maybe within months or within 1 year, the satellite can be flying, and the application around it, the target around it, is ready to be used by the customer. So we provide the entire solution, from the customer launch insurance, construction of the satellite, based on the heart of the Satlantis technology, which is the cameras. So we leave the cameras is the heart, but we work in ecosystem of very proficient partners to provide the full solutions.
And of course you are a member of YES.
Yes, and this is a fantastic initiative where there are people that have a similar DNA share the growth, because we are companies that are employing. Satlantis will employ this year 100 people. We are increasing the employment. It's young engineers. We have the challenge of new contracts. We have the challenge of competing in the world into different countries. And this shared perspective is the motivation for the YES Association.
What credentials does a company have to join YES? What's the requirement?
We are a very open organization, so we allow competition, of course, and it's just that you have to be not older than 10 years and not younger than a year and a half, so that we skip the mortality of the first months. And normally our companies have 100 employees, 70 employees, 50 employees, so there's not companies of 5 employees. Let me mention just for the UK that I only say that we very soon will announce a strong alliance for the UK that is paying back the confidence that we got from your country. So we got, I think, a very nice contract of confidence, and now we are paying back by investing and creating, I think, a center of excellence for optics in the UK.
We look forward to seeing that. Thank you very much, Juan.
Thanks, it's a pleasure.